Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick episode. I'm going to show you my absolute favorite household items that make aquarium keeping just that much easier. Alright, let's find our way to the kitchen. Now, we're not using pots and pans, but I can think of about 1,000 different ways we could use this for aquariums. Do a lot of crazy stuff while you're shooting B-roll. Not sure why I was looking in the fork drawer, but eventually we made our way to the pantry, which is where I'll find exactly what I'm looking for. And what I find is distilled white vinegar. Vinegar is a great cleaning solution. I'm going to use a half and half mixture, 1 part water, 1 part vinegar. I'm going to disassemble the pump that I'm looking to clean, take the parts and place them in the mixture for about an hour or two. One thing I will say about soaking with vinegar is to be cautious about it. I use it as a kind of temporary clean, something that can happen, relatively quickly, maybe within an hour or two. Vinegar is a compound that is known to penetrate plastics. It can reach into the internal parts of your pump. Magnets mainly, like on these MP10s. I've heard a lot of cases of people cleaning with vinegar and swelling up the magnet inside the pump, making the casing break. Just not something that you want to soak overnight. Quick cleans definitely works great. And we'll let that vinegar mixture do its magic. While we're waiting, let's check in on the next household item I love. I'll find my way out into the garage for some zip ties and wire mounts. If you have an aquarium, you've seen this before. Throw some zip ties at it. With some patience and a little bit of luck, you'll be able to clean up those wires and free up all the space you need down below your tank. I also don't just use zip ties for wire management. I use it for just about anything you can think of. Here I've mounted my lights to this piece of wood and connected my misters. And last but not least, the mightiest of household items, toothbrush. Versatility is unmatched. While you could just use any kind of toothbrush, any brand, I like to use, just kidding, any toothbrush will do just fine. I like the blue one, it's my favorite color. This one's got a tongue brush on the back too. I actually find that pretty useful, but the main work inside would be the bristles. Any brush will work. Just make sure you're not using it in your mouth. Love to see a good toothbrush scrubbing in the corner of a tank. This might be the only way that you can actually get in there and get that clean. Use it to clean just about any surface. I like to use it just kind of scrubbing around the tank, using it like a fork, scooping up some spaghetti, some string algae here. You can see when I pull it out I got a good amount. Also great for those small tanks where you really can't get a magnet cleaner or your hand inside of. If you own freshwater and saltwater aquariums, you're going to love a toothbrush even more. I use it to clean my skimmer cup, scrub off the rocks in my tank, scrub off my pumps. I mean, the versatility is endless. And let's check in on our pump parts that are soaking in the vinegar solution. If you see bubbles coming off of it, you know it's doing its job. And we've got the toothbrush making another appearance. I mean, like I said, this is hands down the most useful tool that you'll have in your house for anything aquarium related. You can see what my pump looked like before the vinegar soak. And here it is after. A quick scrub and about an hour in the vinegar. Alright, that just about does it for today's episode. Hope you found it informative. Remember, you don't always have to fork up the big bucks for tools or organizing equipment. You've probably got something laying around your house that'll help you out. Try to make aquarium keeping fun. Do it yourself. It doesn't always have to be fancy and nice. Just make it work for you. So, hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. See you again on Wednesday.